Hey yo, whoever took that team times B, your mom's a hoe, suck my dick from the back. Yeah!
If you got that dick, hoe.
Hey man, that's what the fuck I'm saying, bro. How you gonna disrespect us and steal that beat, bro? You did that for what, dog? Just a bottom frag on Spotify?
Yeah. Stuck on my cup, bitch, I'm sitting in the fire, and I'm pissing, I'm putting in the back of the office. I came out the closet with guns in my pocket, I'm putting your wall, and I'm putting pink up.
Hey, I suck on his dick when I want to. Clean up his scum on my tissue. A dick in his butt smell like you do. I never came, it's my balls blue.
Code name, he's like story, yeah. Coming in all these words, yeah. Slipping on semen on the floor, yeah. Leaving her pussy sore, yeah.
Drugs be calling my bluff. Dick's booty down, he swallow my stuff. I'm in your man, I'm fucking him rough. He on some freak shit without the handcuffs.
Suck on my back up, bitch. Come up on your garbage.
Women overrated. Me and Zil be faded.
Oh man, shut him off the map like it's Fortnite. Hold tight, roll you like a granny, getting smoked right. Suck my pipe, ski mask like I'm Zan. Ski mask on my thigh, we gon' fight. Boy, put up them hands, cause your pussy tight.
Yo, I'm back. My fault, I was getting some lap.
Hey, your father came over, we had a sleepover. Stripped him of his pants, went back down here. Girl, wanna pick me down, grab my pillow, I'm faded. Here, a little wrinkle about to degrade it. Booty hold tight after hit my shit gave it. Grabbing his ass, or I might as well braid it. Booty, 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 rock around the world. This dick is so fine, my toes staying curled. Gag on this shit, identity hurl. I'm all about them dudes, I'm over these girls. Stroking my spleen, I'm busting his face. I'm fucking him slow, I'm keeping my pace. His life just came home, I'm giving him space. We still boys next door, but now that's the case.